In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Instagram videos on Android and iOS. The first thing you want to do is you want to find a Instagram video to download. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and download this video over here. And all you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on these three dots just like so. Then you want to go ahead and press on the plane icon right over here. And then you just want to go ahead and press on copy link. Once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up any web browser. For this video, I'm going to be using Google. And then all you want to do is you want to look up Instagram downloader right over here. And then you want to go to the official fastdl.app website right over here. So it should be towards the top option. And then once you're over here, all you want to do is you just want to go ahead and paste the Instagram video link over here. And once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on download right over here. And now it is going to begin downloading. It is saying download started. So all you want to do from here is you just want to go ahead and wait a little bit, and you want to confirm that this is the correct video that you're trying to download. Then you just want to go ahead and press on download right over here. And now it'll begin to download your file onto your device. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.